South Africa's political atmosphere has been stirred by a developing story involving a senior figure associated with the African National Congress, ANC. According to early law enforcement briefings, the individual has been taken into custody following a police operation that reportedly uncovered a substantial amount of cash during a search. Authorities have stressed that investigations are ongoing and that no final determination has yet been made regarding the source or intended use of the funds. Nevertheless, the development has immediately drawn nationwide attention due to the political sensitivity surrounding senior leadership within the ruling party. Preliminary reports indicate that the arrest occurred after law enforcement agencies executed a search as part of a broader inquiry into alleged financial irregularities. During the operation, officers reportedly discovered a large quantity of cash stored at a property connected to the individual in question. Officials have not publicly disclosed the precise amount recovered, the currency denominations involved, the context in which the funds were being held, whether the money is directly linked to any alleged criminal activity. Police representatives have emphasized that forensic financial analysis is currently underway. Until those examinations are complete, authorities have refrained from making definitive statements. Under South African law, any individual taken into custody is presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Legal analysts caution that high-profile cases often generate intense public reaction before formal charges are even filed. If prosecutors determine that there is sufficient evidence, the case could move into formal court proceedings. That would allow evidence to be presented and tested through judicial processes. If not, the individual could be released without further action. At this point, authorities have not confirmed whether formal charges have been submitted. The ANC has been South Africa's dominant political force since the end of apartheid. Over the years, the party has faced scrutiny regarding governance, public finance management, and accountability. Any incident involving a senior party figure inevitably triggers broader political debate. While party officials have not released a comprehensive statement on the situation, internal discussions are reportedly underway. Political analysts suggest that the timing of the development could influence public perception, especially in a climate where issues of transparency and accountability remain central to national discourse. Opposition parties are calling for clarity and full transparency. Some have requested that investigative findings be made public as soon as legally permissible. Supporters of the ANC, however, urge caution against premature conclusions, emphasizing the importance of allowing the legal process to unfold without political interference. The alleged discovery of a large sum of cash has ignited widespread reaction across social media platforms and news outlets. Online discussions reflect a mixture of skepticism, concern, and demands for accountability. For many citizens, the case symbolizes broader concerns about governance and economic fairness. South Africa continues to face economic challenges, including unemployment and service delivery issues. As a result, any suggestion of financial misconduct by political figures tends to resonate deeply with the public. However, media experts caution that public narratives can quickly become distorted when facts remain incomplete. Responsible reporting requires separating confirmed information from speculation. South Africa's legal institutions have increasingly emphasized anti-corruption efforts in recent years. Various investigative bodies have worked to strengthen oversight mechanisms and ensure compliance with financial regulations. If this case proceeds, it could serve as another test of institutional independence and the rule of law. Conversely, if investigations reveal legitimate explanations for the funds, it may highlight the risks of public judgment before full evidence is reviewed. The coming days are expected to be critical. Key developments to watch include whether prosecutors formally announce charges, court appearance schedules, if applicable, official statements from ANC leadership, clarifications from law enforcement regarding the nature of the investigation. Until verified information is released, the situation remains fluid. What is clear, however, is that the story has already intensified political discussion across the country. In moments like these, the integrity of legal processes and the principle of due process become paramount. South Africans now await further updates as authorities continue their work behind the scenes. Do not name a specific person unless officially confirmed by credible sources. Avoid exaggerating the amount of money if not verified.